Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to accept payments on Wix without premium. So let's go to the Wix uh, dashboard first. Now you have to scroll down and you'll find here settings. Click on settings. Now you can see here the third option, accept payments. Click on this. Then you can see here PayPal option. Click on connect, this blue button. Connect this, and here you can see to connect your PayPal account, enter your PayPal account email from the below. Click connect and you will be redirected to the PayPal. Follow the instruction, click login. Your PayPal account will be connected to Wix account. Okay, if you don't have any PayPal account, you can create your account from here, or if you have already your PayPal account, you can do it. But before that, you have to go back and you can see here your business location. If your business location is not correct, click on this drop down menu and choose the correct business location. Then you have to click on connect again. Now you can see here this email address box. You have to put here your PayPal email address. After that, you have to click on connect. After click on connect, your PayPal will be connected and you can accept payments free without any premium version. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.